welcome back. If you are new, welcome here. Today I have no lipstick on, as you may notice, but we're going to take care of that here in a second. I got a couple of new lip kits, and since I got my lips done, I've been dying to try them, and why not turn the camera on and do it here. Bring you guys along. Just gonna wipe that off. I just got 3 kits here. I wanted to try, something a little new. And one thing is, do you not just love this eyeshadow? That is the Tarte. What is that little kit? I bought this little, the Tarte. It's like Treasures of the Sea or something. Foil finger paints. This is like so cool. And I used this color here, right here, with that glittery color on top, and it just really, really popped. Just something a little different. My eyes are still irritated from the, if you've seen the video about the Kush mascara. I do have reactions to CBD oil. Just something that happened years ago in my life, and my throat swelled up, and don't touch this stuff anymore. So let's get to it. I had been wanting to try one of these Kylie kits, and I got Candy K, and I've actually used this a couple of times because I wanted to kind of try it out. I don't like always doing first impressions for you guys. I like to try them out, and this is one that I like to wear a ton. And let's just throw it on. It is very wearable. Now, don't feel like if you haven't ran out and got lip filler that you have to. It's something I enjoy doing. I have like no top lip, and I just enjoy doing. Don't feel like you got to do it, but it is something that I like to do. And if you guys have any questions about it, I would love to answer your questions. This is such a pretty color. That is pretty. That looks awesome with this eye look too. This is a look that you can wear really anywhere, and you can wear with virtually any eye look. Now, I've got 2 Urban Decay kits here that I wanted to show you. So let's get to those, but I wanted to start off with the neutral because these other 2 are a little darker, and it's hard to show. It's hard to show a nude real good on the lips after a dark color tends to stain them a little bit. I'm gonna have a sore mouth here today. This one here is Firebird and Tilted. And I picked these up actually at Nordstrom's Rack. If you guys have one near there. They're normally $22. I picked them up for $13.97 for the lip pencil and the lipstick. It's a conventional lipstick. And one of the 24/7 Glide On lip liners. Oh, excuse me, it's Jilted. I thought it was Tilted. I thought this was a lot darker. If you watch some of the lip looks that I do, a lot of times I like to take a lip liner outline and then do a lighter gloss inside to give it kind of a daytime wear look. This is definitely more of a nighttime look. This is something I'd wear more with a neutral color eye, but it is very pretty. It's got kind of a duochrome to it. It's got that kind of a bluish purpley shift to it. It's very pretty. Let's go ahead and take this one off, and I've got one more to show you. Now, if you've tried, I have tried some of the Kylie kits that are not authentic. I thought they were. There are tons of them going around right now on Amazon. Amazon promises that their third-party vendors do carry authentic products, but they don't always. The best way to check it is, I've noticed, I take one of my other ones, and a lot of times you can count how the drips go around the bottle. How she has the drips. You can compare how the drips and the drip sizes is one of the things. A lot of times the plastic, a lot of times they are identical. You cannot tell them apart, but the hers has a very distinctual smell to them. That's kind of that buttery kind of like icing scent, cupcake scent. This one here is Big Bang, and that is both the pencil and the lipstick color. Let's go ahead and show that one. This is another one that has a kind of shift to it. Oh, that is not good. These are very soft pencils, so if you do press too hard or run back and forth, you can kind of break the tip off, which I just did, but they sharpen very easily. These are not auto pencils. You do have to sharpen them. And this is Big Bang in the lipstick. This is very similar to the color I just had on. It is a little lighter. Oh, it's a lot lighter. It's not as light as dark as I thought it was going to be. That is very pretty. I made a total mess. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just kind of throwing these on. And it's so hard in this light. I really like that one. I didn't know if I was going to like that, but that is like whew, in your face beautiful. I am loving that color, but I think I'm going to go back to nude for this eye look. I don't know. Not sure. I am running out, having dinner with my husband tonight. Scott and I are going to go grab a bite to eat, and might even go see a movie, not sure. Sunday, you know, I've been wanting to get out and do something. We've been stuck home with the birds and the dogs and the cats all week, but anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. As always, make sure to subscribe, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and let me know what you guys think. What are some of your favorite colors of lipstick? Have a great day, guys. See you soon. Bye.